Hey, I wanted to invite you to do a stress management check-in with me. Right where you are, stop just for a moment. You get 1,440 minutes every day, so you have a minute to stop. Let's take a deep breath in. Close the eyes as you exhale. And I want you to think about what are your top 3 stressors in your life right now? What are the top 3 things? People, experiences, feelings. What are your top 3 stressors? Join me in taking another deep breath in. What is your biggest stress right in this moment? What is your biggest stress? Take another deep breath in and then out. How does your top biggest stressor show up in your spirit, your heart, your mind, your body, and your life? How does it show up? Now this time I want you to take a big breath in, hold it, and as you exhale, I want you to give yourself a juicy hug. Now, as you hug yourself, I want you to ask your stress, what is it trying to teach or tell you? What is it trying to teach or tell you? Take another deep breath in and then out. Keep hugging yourself, because when we hug ourselves for 20 seconds or more, what we're doing is we're activating our self-care superpower hormones of oxytocin, the love hormone, and serotonin, the feel-good hormone. And together they reduce the stress hormone of cortisol in our body. So as you hug yourself some more, what is one thing that you can think, feel, say, or do to manage your stress better? What is one thing you can think, feel, say, or do to manage your stress better? Take another deep breath in and then out. So these are the stress management check-in questions that I've been using with myself and clients. And what happens with this is that when you get to the last question, what's that one thing that you can do to think, feel, say, or do to manage your stress? You can turn that one thing into an intention that you can set. Your intention can change from day to day throughout your day, but to set an intention to help guide you in managing your stress. Now, if you need more support, I want to invite you to go over to my bio and Instagram and click the link for the Spring Reset, which will be held on, check it out, April the 13th and the 20th from 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The investment is $22. Now, here's what you're going to learn. You'll learn how to identify your self-love languages to help manage your stress and take better care of yourself during the spring season and the rest of 2022. So join me. I'm here to help. And if you have questions, send me a DM or email me at ananda@anandaleak.com. I'm here to be of support to help you. All right? I'll see you later. Bye.